How to fix slow download speeds in Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. You will find Settings in here. Click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Data and Storage. After that, in Data and Storage, click on Storage Uses at the top, which is the first option. Then, click on Clear Cache in here. After you've clicked on Clear Cache, simply click on Clear Cache again. After you've done that, go back from here and then click on Data Uses at the top. After you're in Data Uses, click on Mobile at the top. In Mobile section, you will find Auto Download Settings at the bottom. Click on it. Then, in here, make sure it's high. After you've done that, go back. Go back, and at the top, you will find Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi at the top. Then, at the bottom, click on Auto Download Settings. Make sure it's high as well. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to fix slow download speeds in Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.